Okay. Take one for Bradley Manning. Bradley Manning sitting in a
most of the times you go out the back and you get high there in the parking lot.
Bradley Manning.
Like the 1933 steak cost $1.
$1?
For steak.
Do you think they make them out of
20s?
Oh, right, yeah. Bradley Manning sitting in a cell in Kansas. Where's the Wizard of Oz? Bradley Manning, where you been? Where you been all year?
You know, baby, that dress deserves to be uptown.
Oh, that you're gonna get me distracted now, Michael. Bradley Manning, we're working on you. We're breaking you down. We'll break you down. We'll break you down. Getting that guy